Welcome to Monogram's Premium Training and Test Kitchen. The care and cleaning of your Monogram Professional range has been made very easy for you. To begin with, all of the grates come apart so that you can wash them individually. Certain parts of our grate, like the insert, can actually go in the oven during self-clean. You're not going to want to put the bottom grate in self-cleaning because it has rubber stops on the bottom. The burners are all removable so that you can really get in there, soak them, and use different cleansers on them. You're able to soak these to keep the brass looking nice. You're also able to use a Brasso product to give it this polished shine. Once all the burner caps have been removed, you can see the drip tray. You can use a general cleanser on this. You don't want to use anything too abrasive though, because you could scratch the finish. The back burner is removable as well for very easy cleanability. When we move into the griddle cleaning and care, you're going to want to order a griddle cleaning kit. Comes with a griddle pad holder and some scrubby pads. Use a natural cleanser like vinegar and water to remove any excess food particles that are stuck on, and then polish away to this stainless finish every time. The front drip tray on the griddle is removable for easy cleaning. You can dump this out in the trash, you can run this through the dishwasher, or hand wash it. As far as the grill is concerned, it's very easy to clean, just like your outdoor grill. Use a grill brush, but mostly the high heat from the grill is going to do the cleaning job for you. The knobs on our range are all removable so that you can really get in there, soak them, and use different cleansers on them. You want to do that every so often to make sure that there is no bacteria left behind in your kitchen. As far as the LCD screen and the stainless, I use a oil-based stainless steel cleaner and then a simple glass cleaner on the LCD for a streak-free, fingerprint-free shine.